Oh God.
There's 3 steaks here.
Did you just fix
They're not
that?
gonna cook.
No.
Girl.
Yeah.
Girl. What you do?
These 3, yeah.
Please.
Go get Jordan.
The fork. The York.
Ah, she's gonna get you.
Dad, do you want yours less than a charcoal briquette? Yeah. Okay. Mom likes hers well done.
What you doing in here for? What you doing in here? Oh God, hi.
Hi. Where's Jack? Ah, there he is. What's he gonna do?
Under me.
Oh, what do you do, Jack?
Bend over.
Yeah.
Congratulations, you are dodging.